Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Insightful Leaders, an initiative under Thoughts on Education by collegedunia.com. So, today we have with us Mr. Jayant Kasliwal, who is the chairman of Arihant Education Group. Sir, greetings from College Dunia.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
So, the very first question to you is, tell us about your experience in the education industry and what makes it the best industry to work in.
देखिए, this to begin with, it is देवी सरस्वती की ही आराधना है ये, which is of course money of course plays a very very important role in otherwise qualitative education cannot be imparted. So that is one thing. My experience in the education field is that this is something that will go on and on and on and on and on. In today's time particularly, each and every parent may cut corners in his day-to-day expenditure, but he would not like to cut corners in his expenses towards education of the children. Education रहेगी तो ही आगे चल के बच्चों का भविष्य बन सकता है. That is for sure. You may have so many things, but if you're lacking education, see, education gives you the right way to earn money. It doesn't give you the way to earn money.
Correct.
It gives you the correct way in which you have to earn your money, your livelihood, and so on and so forth. और सबसे बड़ी बात यह है कि it will make a character out of a person. A good character, whatever, is what is very, very important.
Okay. So the next question is, any of the significant challenges which you have faced as the chairman of Arihant Education Group?
Significant challenges, madam, have come from all corners, right from government officials to government restrictions to collecting the students, the attitude of the students, the aptitude of the students. See, we faced a very, very important and significant drawback, at least as far as the students of Indore are concerned, is that their lack of knowledge of English. See, they complete their degrees, they complete their education, but their conversational English is so poor. I'll just narrate a small example. We got a very, very important it was an examination and recruitment cell came from ITC. They gave an ad and we had a serpentine number of students waiting to be interviewed by the people who had come down from Bombay from ITC. Now they were just desperate to appoint persons because in Central India, Indore was the only zone. So they were very desperate that we must get some amount of recruitment from here. But the conversational English was so poor that, despite of all their efforts, they could barely get 8 to 10 students. Whereas they had a list of about 40 to 50 instructions from Bombay कि भाई 50 जनों को you have to get them to recruitment. So this is a very, very important issue which I think all students must keep it in mind. मातृभाषा की तो ऑफ कोर्स भावना बहुत ही अच्छी है, हिंदी अपनी मातृभाषा है, ये अपने को आना चाहिए. लेकिन in today's time, as you are well conversant, well aware के without English it doesn't go a very long way. हर बात को अपन हिंदी में नहीं कर पाते. That is okay. This is a big challenge we are facing even today. Students we are trying to get people to learn English, speaking English, spoken English, so on and so forth. But वो नहीं करते हैं. They just don't want to attend the classes and then ultimately interviews होते हैं. We get the companies into the campus, we get so many things, efforts सब करते हैं, लेकिन वो conversational English में और see, unless you're able to express what you know, it's not of any use. You may know so many things, but अगर at the right time आज आप और मैं इंटरव्यू कर रहे हैं, at the right time if you're not able to communicate to me, तो आपकी कितनी भी ज्ञान है, कितना भी नॉलेज है, बट अगर आप राइट टाइम पे अगर उसको यूज नहीं कर पा रहे, तो आई डोंट नो हाउ लॉन्ग इट विल गो.
Very beautifully quoted, sir. So the next question is, how does the curriculum of Arihant Education Group ensures the best practice of the industry is being followed?
See, Arihant का जो curriculum है, it is directly related to the curriculum of DAVV. curriculum is not formed by us, except in maybe 1 or 2 courses. Rest of the curriculum is all set by the experts of DAVV, which is quite significant. No doubt, at the moment, it is not very much based on the employment, on the recruitment, on creating jobs. But eventually, things follow. Changes are occurring day in and day out. We have a very good Vice Chancellor at the moment, who is here with us in DAVV, she's a very, very dynamic lady and is totally job oriented. Her whole purpose is कि बच्चे पढ़ेंगे और नौकरियां नहीं मिलेंगी तो पढ़ाई का कोई महत्व नहीं. Because you sit down and what are you going to do? I mean, you can't become a writer. Everybody cannot become a writer. And आप बैठ के आपका ज्ञान सिर्फ लिखते रहो तो उससे नहीं बात बनती है. नौकरी मिलना है, अच्छी नौकरी मिलना चाहिए. एंड देन आप कोई भी कोर्स करके आएंगे और अगर नौकरियां नहीं मिलेंगी तो इट्स नॉट रियली वेरी helpful.
Okay. So my second last question is, what goals do you have in your mind for Arihant Group?
See, goals तो अभी all set है. We are very much on our track to leading, making a good institute of our. Again, the good or bad institute is totally depending on the recruitment that you can provide. आज 200 बच्चे पास होकर निकलते हैं और उनमें से 4 जनों को नौकरियां मिलती है तो कोई पर्पस नहीं है उस इंस्टीट्यूट का. So our main goal is to get people, at least 70%, 60% of the students must get employed. That is our main intention. अच्छी एजुकेशन तो अपन देने की हर इंस्टीट्यूट कोशिश करता है, लेकिन अगर उनको नौकरियां नहीं मिल पाती हैं तो somewhere we are lacking, is what I feel.
Okay. So the last question, any suggestions would you like to give to the current youth out there?
Current?
Youth. जो आपको सुन रहे हैं.
Youth, I have full hope, full trust in the youth. There is nothing wrong in the youth. It is just directionally they have to be. See, directionally if you're correct, one day you will reach your destination. And if directionally you're wrong, howsoever fast you may run, you may walk, you will not reach your destination. So directionally you have to choose. The correct direction is most important. जिसका मार्गदर्शन अपने को अपनी संस्था से, अपने हर जगह से मिलता है. तीनों चीजों का डेवलपमेंट होता है. यू नीड फिजिकल डेवलपमेंट, यू नीड मेंटल डेवलपमेंट और आपके संस्कार मिलना है. संस्कार तो घरों से मिलते हैं, आप किस तरह की घर में आपकी परवरिश है, लेकिन एजुकेशनल और फिजिकल डेवलपमेंट तो संस्थाओं में ही होता है, एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट नहीं हो पाता. तो माय थिंग इज दैट डू योर बेस्ट. रेस्ट ऑफ कोर्स मच पार्ट डेस्टिनी आल्सो प्लेस. You have to.
Yes, yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir. It was a pleasure connecting to you.
Thank you so much. Wish the students the best. Now online प्रक्रिया चल रही है बहुत जबरदस्त, and I think in times to come this will help and go a long way. Thank you so much.
Sure, sir. Thank you so much.